Can you guess where I'm going?
Wildlife watching, hiking and camping, I love to explore Yellowstone, Yellowstone, Yellowstone.
That's some good noises they make.
You guessed it, I am going to Yellowstone National Park, which is located in Wyoming, with parts of it in Montana and Idaho. Established March 1st, 1872, Yellowstone is the first national park and the largest in the lower 48. The park sits on the Yellowstone Plateau, which is at an elevation of about 8,000 feet, so that's really high. Mile High Denver is like 5,800 feet. I don't know, I don't have the exact mile feet fact on me. The plateau is surrounded on nearly all sides by mountain ranges of the Middle Rocky Mountains, which range from 9,000 to 11,000 feet in elevation. For thousands of years before Yellowstone became a national park, it was a place where people hunted, fished, quarried obsidian, gathered plants, and thermal waters were used for religious and medicinal purposes. You probably know Yellowstone for Old Faithful. She's right here on my shirt. But there's so much more. There are tons of hot springs, there are mountains to climb, there's tons of animals, bears, bison, elk, moose, wolves, coyotes. It's such a huge stretch of land with no civilization and buildings where the animals can run free. I'm going to Yellowstone to visit my sister Rebecca. She has been working at the national park for the last 3 summers. Now she has up and moved there this summer, so she's gonna be able to give me a really cool insider tour into what to do at Yellowstone National Park, but also the Montana, Wyoming area. It's gonna be a fun trip for me. I hope it is a fun trip for you watching. As always, hope this video is inspiring, encouraging to travel and get out there and experience the world. Thank you for watching and following along. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Well, off we go to Yellowstone.
I'm slowly drifting to you. Stars and planets are calling me. A billion years away from you. I'm on my way. I'm on. I'm on.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, dropping next week about a 31-mile backpacking trip to a beautiful hot spring that you can actually swim in Yellowstone National Park. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified when this video drops. Have a good one.